So I've got my canvas print here. Now it is 20 by 40 inches. This is painted onto a canvas. The frame is 100% wood. You can see here it circles the picture all the way around. And the colors are just very vibrant. This is actually the Tree of Life. There are some different scenes that you can purchase too. But it looks very nice and vibrant. I like that. On the back side, you can just see here how the frame is all made. We do have a couple little attachments right here to go ahead and easily hang that onto a wall. And then of course the canvas itself, how it's mounted. You can see here we've got the inner frame, the canvas, and then the mount too. Very gorgeous. I'm gonna go ahead and mount it on my wall and we're just gonna see how it looks. I'm real happy the way this came out. It was real easy to go ahead and mount onto my wall. It really fills in that space with that 20 by 40 inches canvas. And what I've noticed about the painting, it almost seems like it's 3D, like the tree of life is actually coming out of the picture. So it looks fantastic. I just love the way it looks. It looks very nice up there. And I would definitely recommend it for anybody that wants to go ahead and just lighten up the room and create a new mood. Hope you found this helpful.